how I show my clients how to restore their hair with just 1 hour a day and their confidence. And if you're a new mommy that's experiencing postpartum hair loss, or you may be experiencing an underlying issue, go ahead. There is a no-cost training that you may be interested in that can help you out and answer a lot of your questions, okay? Now, one of the things that I teach is my clients is the fact that in the night before, if you have a prescription, you're going to prep your hair the night before. If you have a prescription, you're going to apply that prescription to whether it's oral or to your scalp, right? And you're going to, whether your hair is already maybe braided up, or if it's not braided up, you're just going to apply that to the scalp, and then you're going to prep your hair. Whether that means maybe rod your hair, whatever the case may be, that's the first thing. You're going to prep your hair for the morning. All right. Now, second thing, when the morning comes, you're not going to just whether you're going to work, whether it's just a day around the house, you're going to take care of yourself and your hair. After you've taken care of your baby or whatever the situation may be, your family, the next step you're going to do is you're going to prep your hair. Find a hairstyle that gives you, not find a hairstyle, you already know what you're going to do. So you're going to do a hairstyle that may have less tension. Maybe it's a braids, like 2 braids or something like that. Make sure it's something that doesn't have a lot of tension. If you don't have hair to style with, the next thing you would do is you can get a glueless wig, right? Something that you can put on. Make sure you take it to a professional hairstylist that can cut, style, even color it so it can customize your look. Because remember, we're just going through a temporary situation. So once that is done, you're going to style it. It should take you less than 30 minutes to do whatever it is, because you've already did the night before you prep the hair. You already know what style you were going to do. You already know whether it's a wig or whatever the case may be, or if you have extensions, you've already prepped your hair. You may have rodded it or whatever the case may be, roller set it, or maybe you're just going to have a sleek look and you can wrap it around. That is your prep the night before. And then the day of, that morning, you're going to take down your hair or put on your wig, right? Style it. In the evening time, the third thing is be consistent. So in the evening time, when you when you're now laying down for bed, take that hair out, prep yourself again. If you have to do prescription each day, do that. However, be consistent with this process for 30 days. If you do it 30 days, it becomes second nature to you. And that is going to get you on the road to recovery, to restoring your hair, and also restoring your confidence, because you're going to see the difference. You're going to see the difference. However, you have to be consistent. You can't fall off not one day. All right. I hope this helps. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.